Good morning, YouTube. This is Jonah with Bourne's Lawn Care. We are on another big job here. We are going to be doing the whole lawn install, all the yard. We're actually building a retaining wall going across the sidewalk here because I don't know if you can tell, but this front yard slopes quite a bit all the way down to there. So we are going to have to build it up and build that retaining wall up to get the yard to flatten out. There's a lot of dirt here that we can use. I think we're going to be focusing on the yard flattening out and the landscaping around the house first. But yeah, this is a lot of weeds, but really what's going to take a lot of time. I think we're taking this tree out too, and a lot of this stuff on the edges, little tiny brush, we're getting all that removed and out of here. And so we're probably going to be doing some sort of landscaping around the house. I need to get with the homeowner about the design and exactly what we're doing in here. But then we're coming to the back. We're getting rid of all the little tiny scrub trees that are over here, leaving all the big stuff. We got some nice shade back here, but we got to kind of flatten this backyard out as well. It slopes down. Where I'm standing is the low spot, and it's really high up in there. But the property line goes, oh, there's the flag over there. So we are actually coming in and getting out a lot of the weeds and brush that's right in that way. But then I think right about this tree is where the property line ends. So coming straight across here with grass. Then we're going to be coming all the way around and doing the same thing, getting all the small stuff, brush out from in between these yards here. And then all the new concrete needs backfilled. And then we're watching out. Here's the cable line. It's been left up because it's been hit by somebody else a few times while they were building and constructing over here. So we are going to have to watch out for that. But then we got a big pile of mess of trees, weeds, stuff over here that we got to remove. So this one will probably be keeping me busy for the rest of the week, and I will keep you guys along for the ride. Enjoy the show. All right, end of day one. This is our second load of brush hauling out. I got the block delivered. We had the base, we put the base here on the sidewalk because we're gonna put 57s down in this trench here, compact it, then put the screenings on top of that, compact that, and then put our block. And I got some of this dirt kind of turned up a little bit to get the weeds out. But here's what we got. We got that bigger tree over here on the corner taken out. A lot of this brush cleared out. We still have a little bit left here. Or no, maybe not. That might be neighbors. But we cleared out the brush around here. Took down a couple little trees around this. Took out a lot of the brush in this back corner. And I have a couple things I need to cut out because I couldn't get them out with the machine, so I have to cut them or dig them out by hand. And then this whole backyard I started getting graded out, started picking out. There was some trees removed, so I was getting the chippings out. And then I found the property markers back there, so a pink flag. So we are clearing out the small stuff from that flag all the way to that flag down there, so that we have grass all the way across and also all the stuff out of here. But we're gonna call it a day for now. It's pretty hot, and we still got a lot of brush and stuff up in the front on this side and weeds. Catch you guys tomorrow. All right, I wrapped up day 2. We got the first row of bricks ran on this side, and we had to step down, step down, step down. We got the drainage behind it. We got all the dirt moved up off of the front. There's a pile of rocks we need to get out, but we did a lot of grading around the house. About 8 o'clock at night, so we were expecting some rain tomorrow, so we wanted to get as much of this graded as we could. So I got a lot of dirt brought in back here to kind of lift that up. Some of these boulders we got moved out of the way just temporarily, some big ones. So we're going to use these as accents in the front and in the back. We also have a lot of dirt brought in for this low spot here. There goes Josh, he's blowing everything off. But yeah, so pretty good work for day 2. All we need to do tomorrow is, hopefully if it doesn't rain too much tomorrow, we can come back and work on the wall. But yeah, there was a bunch of junk that we cleaned out of this front side. We got some more boulders in the back, more boulders we're gonna have to bring out. And we did not damage the cable line. No problem there because it's above ground. But I was having, the skid steer was overheating, so I need to put some coolant in it. And then that's all we have left to move as far as the dirt goes. We put our extra gravel down there. And we had just started laying bricks on this side, and we're just out of energy and time. So see you guys tomorrow. Saturday. I got this side of the wall is done. It's basically backfilled. We got the geo grid in there and we got some stone on top of it. So I think all that's left on this is to backfill with topsoil. This is also going to be getting a capstone, but we have to wait on the capstones. I brought all the brush out here to the driveway that I had in the yard over here. They ground out a tree stump that I found while I was getting that cleaned up. Sandbags, he wants us to take those with us. Those were just used for putting weight in the truck for the winter. Here's this side of the wall. I stopped at the corner here because I need to put geofabric in. And as you can see, there's still quite a bit of a gap. So I need to backfill this whole thing up with gravel. So probably need another 3 ton of 57s to fill that. And then I can finish running the geogrid across and get that done. Then we can start laying more blocks. So that's why I stopped. Kind of got the front yard rough graded out. I had topsoil delivered today too. So I had set where it needs to go for beds. We are supposed to be getting maybe some rain on Sunday, tomorrow, and we wanted to at least get it over here so the beds go around and down the side, and we'll be getting the plants for that I think on Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, so if it does rain, which I don't think it's going to rain a lot, at least everything's kind of graded so that we won't get puddles. There's also back here, there's a bed. I think there's going to be some pines or some fir trees going back here, so one bed for those. And yeah, that's it for today. I was solo, so I kind of didn't get as much done as I wanted, but got enough done. It's looking good. We should be able to rock and roll as long as it's not too wet Monday and Tuesday. It's supposed to be done by Thursday, so fingers crossed. Catch you guys on the next one. Well, let's see if that was deep enough. End of the day today. We got another row of block on top of here so we can raise this bed. We got the birch tree planted. Have some Walker low Nepeta planted on the front here. There's a couple of Carl Forster grasses around these big boulders that we got from, well, they got them from when the foundation they dug for the house. And we have hydrangeas behind that. We finished out the wall this way. I added a few more blocks to make these steps down a little bit more uniform. I didn't want to have any that had like 3 blocks and then a step, so I made them all at least 4 all the way down to the end, and the end is just a little step down. And here's some more 2 big beautiful rocks that we had to use, and same thing on this side. We got the grasses around the rocks, birch tree, hydrangea in the back. And then if you look up here at the house, we got everything planted around the house too. Got a couple dianthus on the corner starting it off. Some more Nepeta Walker Low. Then we got holly bushes in the back. And this is a male holly bush, so it looks different than the other ones, but I guess that one is specifically there. So the other ones make berries, and the customer wants that. And then we got a nice Japanese maple on the corner with hydrangeas around that. We got these cool oak leaf hydrangeas going down the side. We are going to be mulching this tomorrow too. And then we got a dogwood here. And then this is forsythia and a couple of sand cherries. The sand cherries go somewhere over here, forsythia go in this corner, and then the opposite corner. We also got these 3 trees planted here, but I do not like this last one, how it looks. I know it's gonna fold out, but I think we need to pull it up and bury it lower. You can see the height is not good match with the others, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. We got another dogwood over here. Got a couple more boulders to use up. We can use them up back here or in the front somewhere, so we'll see what we end up doing with that. But yeah, we're pretty close to done. Catch you guys tomorrow.